Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we're going to talk about 5 fragrances that will make you feel good and beautiful and that are perfect for every day. But they are original at the same time. So if you are interested, please stay with me. My name is Justina, this is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go. All right, so we'll keep it short and sweet today. I could make up much bigger list. However, I think 5 fragrances will do to narrow down your choices. It will be something cheap. One fragrance will be cheap and another ones will be from niche world. However, I think they are so interested that I needed to include them here. And the first one is my this year's surprise. I absolutely love this fragrance. I absolutely love this brand. Actually, this whole brand is perfect for everyday wear. So if you are looking for a brand that has very versatile and universal fragrances, look no further. This is Carner Barcelona and I have here Revolución. And this one I thought I won't like at all. It has leather, it has ozonic note, it has thyme. So I thought it won't be for me, definitely. However, I couldn't be more wrong. This one is so beautiful. This one for me is like herbal suede, something like this. Very aromatic, very clean, slightly sweet. This is a sweet leather for me. Also, you have here orange blossom, which gives it this beautiful, flowery, clean vibe as well. I absolutely love Revolution, and this one is very innovative for me. I didn't smell anything like it before. Very unusual, but very elegant, put together, and perfect for every day and every occasion, I would say, and perfect unisex. At that. So yeah, Revolución from Carner Barcelona. And another one will be the one I'm talking about constantly, and I know it's very popular on YouTube already. However, I think it's for a reason. And I thought about different fragrance from this brand. However, I couldn't stop myself. I needed to include Nuit Nomade, Jardins de Misfah. And this one is absolutely beautiful, very versatile as well, very universal, not too sweet, not too suffocating, very beautiful. It smells like paradise, just like that, paradise in a bottle. This one has rose, but for me, it's more of a rose water, not the typical rose. Don't be afraid of the rose in here. It's just like I said, rose water. It is not old ladyish rose, anything like that. Don't think that in case of this fragrance. It has dates. It has saffron, it has cardamom, it is beautiful, it is like beautiful. It's just beautiful. I'm just speechless when I smell this fragrance. And now Nuit Nomade has this fragrance in extrait form, so I'm very curious to test it out. I hope I will be able to do that soon. This one is so gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. This one is juicy, but at the same time so opulent, so yummy, but not too gourmand at the same time. This one is so hard to describe. You need to test it out. I have a coupon code for this fragrance and any other from Nuit Nomade, so just check it out. So amazing. So yeah, Jardins de Misfah from Nuit Nomade. And another one will be fragrance that not many people is talking about. I absolutely love the bottle of the fragrance. Actually, this brand has beautiful bottles. And this one is Vilhelm Parfumerie and this one is Flur Burlesque. Absolutely, the bottle is absolutely beautiful. And this one is for me like a scent in Technicolor. I associate it with golden era of Hollywood, like 50s, 60s, Marilyn Monroe and stuff like that. Those beautiful palm trees. And for me, this scent also smells like a song from Lana Del Rey. So if you like this ambience, if you like this climate, you know, of the songs, I think Flur Burlesque, you need to check it out. This one is like yellow flower bomb and white flower as well. This one smells very similar for me to Giorgio Beverly Hills. However, it is much more refined and posh and luxury version of that fragrance. So if you're not very fond of Giorgio Beverly Hills, but you would like to step up and have something similar, but much better, I think Flur Burlesque is your way to go. It lasts really long time on your skin. I think it projects really well. It's very beautiful. It's like sunny beautiful feminine flowers. That's what it is. Very, very beautiful. I absolutely love Flur Burlesque, and the bottle is just amazing. Looks just beautiful. So yeah, Flur Burlesque from Vilhelm Parfumerie. And two last fragrances. I think this one is very, very underrated when it comes to this brand, and I'm talking about Jardin Toscana Blue Indaco. And this one will be perfect balance because it's slightly sweet. It has this milky aspect and DNA that goes throughout the brand of Jardin Toscana. However, it's by no means less sweet than Bianco Latte or Celeste even. This one is beautiful, marzipan-y. It's marzipan basically with a hint of bergamot. Very beautiful. It has almond, it has tonka bean, so it's almondy, milky, slightly fresh as well. It has frangipani, so if you like those flowery, milky fragrances, this one will be for you definitely. Very, very beautiful, lasts really, really long time. It has a massive trail. I think in general, each fragrance from Giardini Toscana is very, very long lasting and potent, so this one is no different. So beautiful, so underrated. You need to check it out. If you like slightly almondy fragrances with hint of freshness, you need to test it. And maybe I will give you the comparison. If you know the fragrance that is already discontinued from Kate Moss, it was called Vintage. This one is very, very similar. So if you are missing vintage in your life, if you have used it way before, I was using it when I was starting my studies, and I have very nice memories with that fragrance. If you're looking for something similar to Vintage from Kate Moss, this one is your way to go. And I never have encountered anything similar to Vintage till I got to know Blue Indaco from Jardin Toscana. So yeah, do yourself a favor and check it out because it's just beautiful. And the last fragrance is from Mainstream, and this one is very cheap, very underrated as well. Calvin Klein Obsession Night, and this one will be perfect for the office, for the day, for the dinner after the office, after work. It will be perfect for a party during the night. This one is very versatile, very universal as well. This one is warm, but at the same time cooling and refreshing. This one is feminine, but at the same time slightly masculine. For me, this one is perfect unisex. It's targeted towards women, but I think if you are a man, you can just go and use it because I think it will work on both sexes just perfectly. So beautiful. As I said, it is like night and day, and it's working. You know, it's full of contradictions, but it's working. It's very, very nice, very elegant, but at the same time slightly, I would say, even sporty, fresh, but warm. As I said, cooling as well. So yeah, this one is so original, lasts really long time. Very nice quality versus the price. So yeah, you need to check out Obsession Night by Calvin Klein. And that was it for today. As I said, short and sweet. Let me know if you know something from those fragrances and whether you like these fragrances or not. Thank you very much for watching today, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.